Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Similarweb and automate competitor tracking with AI step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Similarweb into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Similarweb website link from the search results. Once on the website, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to verify your account. Log in to your Similarweb account using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, navigate to the Competitors section. Input the website of your chosen competitor in the search bar. Analyze the data provided to gain insights into your competitor's performance. To automate competitor tracking, move to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Automate Reports or Similar. Choose the frequency at which you want to receive updates. Select the specific metrics you would like to track. Configure any additional settings as necessary. Save your automation preferences. Now, let's introduce AI into your tracking process. Research available AI tools that integrate with Similarweb. Select the AI tool that best fits your needs. Follow the installation or integration instructions for that AI tool. Once integrated, configure the AI settings to align with your tracking goals. Set parameters for alerts when your competitor makes notable changes. Test the integration to ensure everything works smoothly. Regularly check your automated reports to stay updated. Make adjustments to your tracking settings as needed over time. Continue monitoring your competitor landscape for ongoing insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.